evening! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa main shell. Magana tayo sa reception ni Kyle. Ang layo ko kasi masyado, so I just need to be there night before para sure na hindi ako malilate bukas. And since tayo ay bridesmaid, kailangan natin maayusan ng maaga. I think 6 a.m. ata yung schedule ko for the makeup. So, let's see later. Okay? Bye!
Good morning, fellas. So, ang aga, 6:20 in the morning, and we're just waiting for our call time para ma-makeupan kami ng 7 a.m. So, yeah, hindi ako nag-sleep. We're so excited for your wedding, Kyle. We're so ready for it. Sana ma-enjoy mo din at hindi ka ma-stress today. So, yeah, let's see.
Hi, good morning. Make up. 7:01. Good morning, Mochi.
Make up na tayo here sa
There's the bride to be.
Sabi ni Kyle at ni Kurt, give us 3 reasons kung bakit kaya tayo na-relate. No, maybe in school, something like that. First category, magbigay ng 3 gulay sa kantang Bahay Kubo. Alright, this beautiful map over here. Siguro 2 gulay. Kasi iba po doon ay fruit. Alright.
Sita. Sitaw, bataw, patani.
Sitaw, bataw, patani is correct. That's it. Kaya she gets alcohol already. Ito na. Ganun na po kabilis. Alright. Get ang tao, Mr. Angelo. Thank you so much. Next. Ito na po. Alright. Mapigay. Ganon. In Quezon City, in Metro Manila.
Later.
Favorite part. And that is...
Dinner!
Ang paboritong parte ng lahat ay...
Dinner!
That is right.
Sige, be, isa pa daw, be, para maintindihan ko, be, isa pa.
Lamig mo, tana. Eh, masarap mo.
Lamig.
Lamig, tana. Pero Rizal lang, di ba?
Yung work ko, oo, di ba katabi na ng Quezon City. Tapos yung work ko, malapit na siya sa Laguna. Kaya nga eh, business may shop eh. Kanina nga kausap niya yung ano eh. Power posting nga.
Good job. Let's see. Very good. Now another slice. And the real challenge is once they pull the slice of cake na po. Kapag yan ay kinuha na nila, that is the real challenge. Tignan natin ano kaya ang technique ni Kyle. Let's see. Very good assisting your husband, Kyle. Yun, palakpakan po natin the first slice of cake of the Mr. and Mrs. Topias. Yan na nga. Let's go! And do not forget to seal it with a kiss. Come on! Thank you very much, Jamil. And
Alagaan mo yung baby namin. I know naman na mamahalin mo ang aming baby girl. To Kyle, to our baby girl. Okay, so kung sa totoo lang di pa ako ready, pero kasi feel ko baby pa siya. Lahat ng bagay tinatanong sa akin, consult dito, consult doon. Sa lahat, like parang, Achi, okay ba to? Regardless those questions, syempre, I still want to hear Achi. Okay ba to? So in short, you can still depend on your Achi regardless what's happening in your life right now. Kahit kasal ka na. your Kuya E and I will be here for you, Cal and Kurt. Ayun, yun lang. I went to their counter. Basta, you can still call me and also chat me kahit yung mga simpleng message sa chi. Tawag. Anyway, everyday pa rin kasi kami nag-chat kahit nung kinasal ako last year. So parang everyday pa rin kami lagi nag-uusap. Ever since na lagi kami magkasama since nung bata, tapos hanggang nung nag-school kami sa Manila. So ayun. So kahit lagi kami nag-aaway, super close pa rin kami. Love you.
Ayun. Kyle, you are not a baby anymore. Ay. Alright. Iwalay mo na ka. Carter Jamil!
Thank you sa lahat ng mga pumunta sa aming special day ni Jamil, no? Thank you.
Go! Mabuhay ang bagong